Somali people is crazy. Netanyahu, he died. Up to now, just Netanyahu. What Netanyahu you talking about? Already Netanyahu died, no life. Okay? Forget about Netanyahu. Netanyahu is no more life. Already, he gone. Die, Netanyahu. Okay? This fake AI is no Netanyahu. As you know, your mind, it doesn't work. That's why AI he use Israel. Huh? But the Somali people, that AI, he think Netanyahu. This is AI, but Netanyahu, he died. I tell you true. No life. Netanyahu, no anymore. Okay? Trump, that's why he confused. Because now you see, harm, Iran he control. No one can pass there. You think, and Trump, he have a power? Nothing. We don't have any power, Trump. Iran, he control harm. No one can pass. That's the reality. The Trump is drama. It doesn't work. Just fake news, Trump he use. Okay? Reality, Iran, he control harm. No one can pass. Close. That's it.